This video is really for you XRP lovers out there. It has just been an incredible ride. The other day we talked about, we were right here at this wedge pattern. I was like, if it can break out of here, we're going to see some serious upward momentum. And yesterday's CPI, Consumer Price Index, or inflation report certainly helped out the situation because it came in slightly better than expected. But now you have XRP hitting $3.24. So if you're looking to jump in now, you might be a little late. I would be very cautious because we're at a very high, very high amount, and it's bananaed. You know, you just hockey sticked. So this XRP trade I'm in right now, let me just show you this. Right now, if you can see that, I'm up 237%. I got into this on Monday, January 13th, and I got in at $2.37. I did ape in a little more at $2.90. That's why my average open price is $2.56. And the current price is $3.24. So I'm up 237%. I'm levered. I have a 9x leverage on this one. And I took a little bit of profit. When it hit 318 yesterday afternoon, I took a little bit of profit. But big news today is going to be that jobs report. The initial jobless claims, it's coming in at 8:30 a.m. And the reason why these reports are important is because they're really going to help the Fed figure out what they're going to do next. And so right now there's a large chance, like 96%, that the Fed is going to keep the rates the same. And if that happens, obviously there's less liquidity in the markets. Investors don't need to flight to quality or flight to better return. And so right now, the CME Fed Rate Watch site that I go to check this out, there's still 97% chance the Fed is not going to lower the rates. Well, this, if the jobless report comes in worse than expected, that might lower that. And if you look also, it's not just this end of month meeting in January. There's a meeting again in March. And it's a 72% chance there. Is that going to change? It probably will change with different job reports, worse than expected. It's jobs and it's inflation is really what they're looking for. And that will help, obviously. I don't like the word help, but it'll adjust how people invest and it'll adjust how people spend. And that's going to have effect on the broader macro economy, which is why it's important to stocks and bonds and crypto. But right now, XRP on a freaking tear. Yesterday was a good day in crypto. The last day, you can see a lot of these Litecoin up 18%, XRP up 19%, CRV 14%. I mean, you have the old schools, the new schools. Everyone's doing well yesterday in recovery of the dip that we had on Monday. So big news this week. Obviously, jobs report today, 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And we had yesterday the CPI report that came in a little better than expected. Inflation not as bad as they expected. And anytime you have something that's unexpected, it's going to move markets. So today I am I'm watching this. I mean, gosh, XRP 325. It's like I took a little bit of profit, like a tiny bit. As this thing goes up, I want to take a little bit of profit along the way. I might increase my leverage, pull out some margin, and raise up my stop losses in order to protect my downside so I can lock in more profits. Now, I also think XRP has more room to run than this even. We're still haven't made the major announcements, but this is all on speculation that there's going to be some kind of announcement on Inauguration Day, I suspect. And with all the meetings with Donald Trump and different crypto leaders out there, there's bound to be something. There's been some leaks that, hey, there's a day one at the inauguration when executive orders directly relating to crypto that will move markets. That's the rumors out there. Now, this is not financial advice. I'm just telling you what's going on in my brain. Again, the goal of this account that I showed you today is to take it from the $800 that it was at to $100,000. And I went from 800 and I'm at about 2,600 right now. I can give you an exact number, 2,640 bucks. So that's a pretty significant increase already. Let's see what I say, 2,600 and then divided by, this is just a rough, I know it's not exact, but I'm at approximately a 325% increase, not return, but increase. So it's going well so far. But again, the last week, it was easy to make good decisions. Easy to make good decisions. Profit on the folly. When others are going this way, I'm going to go this way, because the masses are never correct. 95% of traders lose their money. I don't want to be part of that stat. That's all I got. Hope you had a great morning. I hope the jobless reports works out in your favor. And remember, not financial advice, not your financial advisor. I'm just showing you what I'm doing along my journey. That's all I got. Talk to you soon.